Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word Peccavi. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. When caught in the act of stealing, the thief confessed with a simple Peccavi before being taken away by the authorities. Peccavi is a Latin word meaning "I have sinned." It is often used to confess wrongdoing or express guilt or remorse for one's actions. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.